Greetings to parents and students. It's time for our online class. I am Mr. Olatunde Joshua from Redeemer International School, Science and Technical College, Uyo Akwa Ibom State. I will be taking mathematics for JSS2 class. Good morning, students. Our topic for this morning is algebraic fractions. Before I commence my teaching, I would like to make reference to our previous lesson where I taught you algebraic expressions. In that class, I explained that algebraic expression is the combination of a constant and a variables. Talking about constant are our real numbers. Example, figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Now, also variables are the letters of the alphabet, such as letter A, letter B, letter S. Example of algebraic expression is 3x, 3a, 2a. Now, at the end of today's lesson, it is expected that every student should be able to divide algebraic fractions, give examples of algebraic fractions, and solve problems on addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Now let's move to the definition of algebraic fractions. Definition of algebraic fractions. Algebraic fractions are simply fractions with algebraic expressions on top, numerator, or bottom, denominator. I take that again. Algebraic fractions are simply fractions with algebraic expressions on top, numerator, or bottom, denominator. Now let's move to examples of algebraic fractions. Examples of algebraic fractions, it includes 2x over 4, 3y over 6, 6a over 7, a plus 2 over 3, 3b minus 7 over 9. You can as well give more examples on your own. Now let's move to addition of algebraic fractions. Addition of algebraic fractions. Example 1. Simplify 2x plus 3 over 6 plus x minus 2 over 2. Solution. Find the LCM of denominators, that is 6 and 2, which is 6. I take that again. The first step is find the LCM of the denominators, that is 6 and 2. Our LCM here is 6. Write your LCM at the bottom here. Now move straight to the first problem given to us, the first term here, where we have 6 as denominator. How many 6 can we find in our LCM, which is 6, and we have 1? Write your 1 here, open a bracket. What you have as the numerator of 6 comes inside the bracket and close the bracket. Write your sign, addition sign. Also move straight to the next term, where we have 2 as the denominator. How many 2 can we say in 6? Which is 3. Write your 3, open a bracket. What you have at the numerator comes in the bracket, close the bracket. The next step is open brackets. How do we open brackets? You make use of what we have outside the bracket and to multiply what we have in the bracket. 1 times 2x, we have 2x. 1 times plus 3, we have plus 3. Plus 3 times x, we have plus 3x. Plus 3 times minus 2, we have minus 6 over 6. The next step is collect like terms. Collect like terms means you arrange constant with the same variables together. 2x plus 3s plus 3 minus 6. 2x plus 3s gives us 5x Plus 3 minus 6, we have minus 3 all over 6, which is the final answer. Now let's have one more example on addition of algebraic fraction. Simplify 4a over 5 plus 3a over 4. Solution. The first step is find the LCM of the denominators 5 and 4, which is 20. Our LCM here is 20. You write your 20 at the bottom here. Go straight to what we have here, that is 5. 5 in 20, we have 4. Write your 4 here, open a bracket. What you have at the numerator comes inside the bracket and close the bracket. Write your addition sign plus. Also move to the next denominator 4. How many 4 can we find in 20, which is 5? Open the bracket. What we have at the numerator comes inside the bracket and you close the bracket. The next step here is open bracket. 4 times 4a, we have 16a, plus 5 times 3a, we have 15a all over 20. 16a plus 15a, we have 31a over 20. Now let's move to subtraction of algebraic fraction. Subtraction of algebraic fractions. Example 1. Simplify 2b minus 3 over 4 minus b plus 5 over 3. Solution. The first step is find the LCM of the denominators, that is 4 and 3, which is 12. Our LCM here is 12. Write your 12 at the bottom here. Now move straight to what we have here, 4. That is the denominator here. How many 4 can we find in 12, which is 3? Our 3 comes here. Open a bracket. What you have at the numerator of 4 comes into the bracket. Close your bracket. Put your sign minus. Also move to the second denominator. We have 3. How many 3 can we find in 12, which is 4? Your 4 comes here. Open a bracket. Now write what you have at the numerator inside the bracket and close the bracket. The next step here is open bracket. 3 times 2b, we have 6b. 3 times minus 3, we have minus 9. Minus 4 times b, we have minus 4b. Minus 4 times plus 5, we have minus 20 all over 12. The next step here is collect like terms. Bring together constants with the same variables. 6b minus 4b minus 9 minus 29 all over 12. 6b minus 4b, we have 2b. Minus 9 minus 20, we have minus 29. Our final answer is 2b minus 29 all over 12. Now let's look at one more examples on subtraction of algebraic fraction. Simplify 5 over 3y minus 2 over 7y. Solution. Find the LCM of the denominators, that is 3y and 7y, and of course is 21y. Our LCM here is 21y, which is written at the bottom here. Move straight to what we have here, 3y. How many 3y can we see in 21y? Please don't forget y, we cancel y. 3 in 21 is 7. Your 7 comes here. Open a bracket. Write what you have here, 5, inside the bracket and close the bracket. Write your sign minus. 7y in 21y. Y cancel y. 7 in 21 is 3. Our 3 comes here. Open a bracket. What you have at the numerator comes inside the bracket. Close the bracket. The next step here is open bracket. 7 times 5 give us 35. Minus 3 times 2, we have minus 6 all over 21y. 35 minus 6, we have 29 all over 21y, which is our final answer. Now, I would like to give you assignment. Question 1. Give 5 examples of algebraic fractions. Question 2. Simplify 2t minus 7 over 6 plus t plus 5 over 3. Question 3. Simplify 3a minus 4 over 5 minus 2a minus 5 over 4. I take that again. Simplify 3a minus 4 over 5 minus 2a minus 5 over 4. Please submit your solutions to the school PTF WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.